gentlemen, it's your boy Edgar. This is your midweek video that we showcase the trades we open from Monday until today Wednesday, and we're going to focus for the next 2 days till the end of the week. Now remember guys, this video is for educational purpose. I'm gonna make it as short as here. We're gonna highlight a few trades that we took on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and what trades can we take from Thursday to Friday until our week. We're gonna start first with DXY. DXY is doing extremely well in terms of appreciation, but it's trading against our prediction. The prediction on the dollar was trading at 1, 2 and down to 3, but now that's not the case. So what are we looking at right now is we do expect some sort of consolidation of this zone up here for the DXY. Now we took some trades at the beginning of the week. We looked at USD CAD, New Zealand USD, USD CHF, blah blah blah, up to GBP USD, and we came to conclusion of having a backup plan. And the backup plan means we wanted to trade GBP USD because it poised more opportunity, it poised more certainty on the downside, and also it poised more it poised less of opportunity cost. Because if we took the trade from Euro USD or also dollar USD, could have made few pips. Alright, let's have a look. Now look at the Euro USD here, the amount of pips that we could have made compared to GBP USD. And with GBP USD, we took our trade up there, we shorted the price all the way down. We anticipated a decline on the GBP USD. Number one, because of the fundamentals allowed to do so. Number two was the market sentiment. Number three was the technicals, and number four was the opportunity cost. We took to with a risk reward of 3.65, the target of 0.86%. So you almost made the 1% on that trade, which was good enough. Back on to Euro USD. You see the cycle there, that's what I'm talking about. What that means by opportunity cost. You could have made less money by taking that Euro USD short trade. You can see there, if we do calculations, if we short it down there, you see you could have made almost 0.54%, which is almost half of our trade on GBP USD. So that was a no-brainer. And furthermore, we took WTI. WTI posed a really good opportunity on the downside because it just came from the confluence, the combination of that horizontal line plus the downtrend line, which gave us really strong buyers on selling the WTI. We also looked at the risk reward ratio of 2.06, and the most important part was that target. It was 5.39%. Oil poised us a lot of money. We're talking about 5.39%. That's almost what we take for the whole week, right? Now that's almost 3,269 pips. Now that sounds a lot, but it is a lot because when you trade oil, you trade in terms of points. Those points, we convert them into pips, you get 3,269. That's a lot. As a trader, when you get that, you can just close the trade, and even for a month, they're really good at it. It's good enough. That's almost 5%. So what's up for the next week? We're looking at USD CHF. Now guys, if you're not in one of our social media groups, or you're not following us on any social media, just follow us, because we do talk about a lot of this trade most of the time. And as you can see, USD CHF, we took that short right there today afternoon. They're looking at the risk reward of 4, the target of 1.42%. So that is our target, and if you're gonna get that 1.42% by the end of this week, we expect to hit almost 7%, and that is what is from us, from Bongo Forex community, and I hope you guys enjoy that. And sorry for the audio, it's quite ish. I'm trying to find the best setup to do this kind of audio, because the setup that I'm recording this is not that good for the audio recording. Otherwise guys, I hope you're enjoying the trading, and Trade safe and all the best. And please don't forget to follow us on our social media handles: Facebook, Instagram, join us on Telegram, join us on WhatsApp. All those links are down below, and just can just go and click on the description. Bye bye, cheers. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Edgar. This is your midweek video.